Hi, today I will talk about 2 LCD TV in this video. So keep watching the video for details. Firstly, design. Dimensions 67.5 into 38.9 into 1.8 inch and 48.2 into 27.7 into 1.6 inch. Weight 35.3 kg and 17.3 kg. Mounting hole pattern 400 into 300 mm and 300 into 200 mm. Tuners attached 3.0 USA, DVB T2 S2 C Europe. Special features: Game Bar 4.0, object tracking sound light. Next, display. Display technology OLED. Panel type QLed. Display size 55, 65, 77 inch USA, Europe and 42, 48, 55, 65, 77, 83 inch USA, Europe. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 120 Hz and 144 Hz. Video processor NQ4 AI Gen 2. Pixel density 104 ppi. Aspect ratio 16:9. Brightness 1700 nits and 1600 nits. Variable refresh rate. FreeSync, G-Sync. HDR formats HDR10, HDR10 plus adaptive, hybrid long gamma. Next, connectivity. Number of HDMI 4 into HDMI 2.1. Bluetooth 5.2. Wi-Fi 5 802.11 AC. USB port 3 into USB-A 2.0. Next, Smart TV and apps. TV platform Tizen. Version at launch 8.0. OS updates No. AirPlay 2 Yes. HomeKit No. Voice assistant Bixby, Google Assistant, Alexa. Speakers 20 watt 2.0 and 40 watt 2.1. HDMI ARC and EARC Yes. Dolby audio Yes. Detach audio No. Subwoofer Yes. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.